good morning, good evening, or good afternoon. It is so great to see you here today, guys. And today, let me ask you a question. Have you, assuming you're a drone pilot, or maybe you're not, maybe you aspire to be one, maybe you want to pick up a drone one day, but maybe, just maybe, have you ever woken up one day and thought, I wonder how much that Mavic can pick up? Better yet, gram for gram, have you ever thought about which Mavic can pick up the most? Guys, that's how I felt this morning. I woke up and had that thought, I wonder which one could do just that. And so today, guys, I'm going to go out and we're going to test the Mavic Pro 2, the Mavic Air 2, and the little Mini here to see which one can lift what. Now, I do want to say this. Doing such a test puts a lot of strain on these motors here. And I'll probably say this again when I get out in the field. Don't go doing this. Look, we all have this curiosity as far as, okay, what can it pick up? Maybe not everybody, but maybe a few of you out there may be wondering what they can do. Look, I'm going to go out there and I'm going to do this for you, so therefore you don't have to put your drone through this sort of stress. And I'm kind of curious, gram for gram, which one is going to be able to pick up the most? Obviously, we know the Mavic 2 is going to be a beast, but I don't think the Mavic Air 2 is going to be too much of a slouch. All right, well, there's our plan. Now I just need to go out to Home Depot. I need to get some, I think I'm going to get some washers and some nuts. That should do well for the weight. I have a food scale in my kitchen, which my wife will probably love that I'm going to take it out and put all sorts of nuts and bolts and all sorts of stuff in there, considering we do put food in there. Don't tell her. Anyways, so let's head down to Home Depot and let's get some supplies. All right, guys, here we are. The party is about to happen here. So now let me share with you the science and the setup right here. Over on the right-hand side, weighing in at 907 grams is the Mavic Pro 2. And right in the middle here, weighing in at 570 grams, we have the Mavic Air 2. And over on the left-hand side, little guy, 249 grams is the Mavic Mini. Now, let's get some of the meteorology out of the way. It is 70 degrees. We have kind of an occasional gust that's getting up to about 11 miles an hour. Humidity 43%, pressure 29.97 inches, and UV index, it's a 6 out of 10, if that makes any difference, which I don't think it does. And it's 70 degrees, although I said that, or I think I said that already. To get things started, what we're going to do is load up this bucket right here. This weighs 19 grams with the string, and there's like a little hook thing right there. Everything weighs 19 grams. We're going to load this up with the body weight of each of these drones first, as close as we can get it. We're going to see which drone can pick up their own body weight. From there, we're going to see either we're going to decrease the weight or we're going to add the weight to see how much each of these drones can actually pick up. And then, of course, at the end, we'll do a little math and we'll determine per gram weight of each drone which one can carry, who has the larger index here. I have a scale right here. We have all sorts of weights right here. Now, let me be very clear, guys. I probably said this already, but this is not something that you want to do, okay? This is gonna put a lot of strain on these motors. See, what I'm going to do here, I'm doing the work for you here. I'm going to do the science. I'm gonna beat the hell out of my drones, so therefore you have the answers. That curiosity, well, gee whiz, how much can my Mavic carry? And we're gonna have a little fun in the process. So, let's get this going. We're gonna start with the Mavic Mini. So we're gonna load this thing up with approximately 249 grams, and we're going to see if the Mavic Mini can pick up that, and if not, we're going to decrease the weight and determine how much specifically it can pick up. Then we'll move over to the Mavic Air 2, and then of course we're going to close things off with the big guy, the Mavic Pro 2, and see what that thing can do. So let's get it going. Okay, the Mavic Mini is about set up. I am in mode P right now. So first, I'm going to go for the weight in the P mode, and then if that, depending what happens with that, then I'm going to move it into sport mode. So here we go.
liftoff. Okay, we had liftoff there for a moment. A little bit of a gust of wind came up. All right, here we go, take two. 241 grams right here. Nope. In P mode, we're struggling. I'm gonna move it into sport mode, see if that makes any difference. All right, we are now in sport mode. Nope. We're gonna start removing weight. I'm gonna remove 10 grams to start off with and see if that makes much of a difference here. No, that's not gonna happen. Okay, so that was, we're down to 231 grams. I'm going to back off one of the 50 gram weight. All right, with this removed, we have about 181 grams here. 3, 2, 1. All right, 181, it's holding. Okay. All right, we're gonna try putting one 10 gram in. As soon as the wind calms down a little bit here, we're gonna put one 10 gram weight in here, see if we can get away with 191. 191, 3, 2, 1. $191 grams and it's holding it. All right. All right, the wind came along again. When the wind was down, it was holding the 191 up there. We're gonna give it another go here once it dies down. Okay, the wind's calmed down. 3, 2, 1, go! Now, okay, 181 is about all she's gonna go, guys. Okay, guys, next is the Mavic Air 2. And so we got this loaded up with 570 grams exactly. So it's matching the exact weight of this drone. So let's get it up in the air. Oh yeah. All right, so 570 grams, no problem. All right, we're gonna add another 100 grams and see how it does with that. So now we're at 660. Or I'm sorry, 670 rather. All right, 670 and holding well. Okay, let's go with another. All right, I'm gonna let this wind go down. Here we go. 770 grams. All right. $770, no problem. We're gonna move it up. $870 grams. And going back down. All right, I'm gonna add another 100 grams here, so we're gonna be at 900. All right, 970 grams, 3, 2, 1. Nope, it came back down. I'm gonna move it into sport mode. Nope, it's not gonna have it, so I'm gonna drop it down. So now we're down to 920 grams. Nope. Okay, so I'm gonna pull out 920. I'm gonna pull out a 30, guys, so we're down. All right, 890 grams. Let's give this a go. Nope. All right, so we're gonna remove, I'm gonna remove a 30 here. All right, so we're at 890, so we're at 860 grams here. Nope. All right. So let's remove another 30. So we're from 860, we're down to 830. 830 grams, here we go. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna close it up. I'm gonna call that a go right there. 830 grams for the Mavic Air 2. All right, there we go. So now it is the Mavic Pro 2's turn. We have 907 grams inside the container right here, which is again the exact same weight as the Mavic 2. Let me make a quick adjustment on our makeshift harness here. And we're gonna get this one up in the air. Okay, no problem at all. Okay, so, all right, 11:07, here we go. All right, no dice on that one. I'm gonna move it into sport mode. All right. Okay, so 11:07, it brought it up. To put additional 50 in there, so 11:07, that'll bring us up to 11:57. Nope. So, I'm going, so this will be 11:37. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Going back down. Okay, all right, so we're gonna call it a day right there. So 1,137 grams out of the Mavic Pro 2, which it's slinging more than its body weight. So pretty awesome.
Okay, well that was fun and it was pretty interesting. Now, before I go through some of the numbers, let me just repeat it again, guys. Don't go doing this. This is absolutely brutal on the motors on your drones. I did it for scientific reasons. So therefore, all of our curiosity is met, because we know approximately how much weight each one of these drones can carry. Now I say approximate because the there's a couple variables that were just a little bit out of my control that make this test a little bit in the gray area. And that is, the big factor is the wind. As the wind's coming by, you'll notice I had to time when I was bringing the drone up to lift up the weight between the gusts of wind. And that's another reason why I didn't go too high, because with a lot of that weight, with the motors already strained and so forth, if a good gust of wind came up, which it happened a couple times out there, it really put a lot more strain onto the drone itself. So you'll notice I only went up a little bit just to see if it had the power to actually pull that weight up. So with that said, the wind was a huge variable that kind of made it a little bit difficult to really get a exact on this, but I think we have a good gauge here. The Mavic Mini had picked up a total of 181 grams, weighing at 249 grams at a power index of 0.73. Moving up to the Mavic Air 2, okay, weighing in at 570 grams, it lifted 830 grams, so it has a 1.46 power index. And then, of course, the Mavic Pro 2, weighing in at 907 grams, and of course, it picked up 1,137 grams, putting it at a 1.25 power index. So, gram for gram, the Mavic Air 2 actually took the trophy here by a nice little margin there over the Mavic Pro 2. But again, a lot of variables here, guys. The wind was all over the place, but it was still fun to get out there and just kind of see, kind of curiosity, you know, what these things can pick up. All right, so let's review some of the prizes that we have for our current giveaway. We have a 38-inch ViewSonic VP3881 ultra-wide curved monitor. We have a 34-inch ViewSonic VP3481 curved monitor, a f-stop Lotus Essential bundle with a medium slope internal camera unit, a set of Stingray 77mm filters that includes a 5, 10, 15 stop ND, and a circular polarizer, 2 Colorado Tripod Company Highland 48mm aluminum ball heads, a Holdfast HF Classic camera strap, and a $100 Adorama gift card. So guys, not only is this the most amount of prizes that we've ever had in a single giveaway, it's the most value at over $4,000. Now, as always, to enter the giveaway, it is crazy simple. Step 1, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Step 2, leave a comment below. In fact, my friend, the more of our videos that you watch and leave a comment on, the more chances that you have to win. So watch some of our other videos and leave some comments. Step 3, register on PhotographyTalk and introduce yourself. Say hello. And that's it, guys. For complete details on how to enter the contest, including registering on PhotographyTalk and saying hello in our forum, check out the description below. Good luck. Well, there you go, my friend. A quick test to see which Mavic is the king of the hill. Which Mavic can pick up the most weight. If you found this video to be helpful or entertaining, hit the like button down below. If you're currently not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. While you're at it, smash the hell out of the bell to be notified each time we have a new video that comes out. All right, I'm going to jump on out of here, and you get out there, stay healthy, and create your best shot.